Most people spend years treating their thyroid and wondering why they still feel terrible. And the answer has nothing to do with their thyroid medication. Hashimoto's is an autoimmune condition, and autoimmune conditions almost never come alone. For one person, it's thyroid plus gut dysfunction. For another, it's thyroid plus blood sugar instability, plus chronic infection, plus accumulated toxins. For someone else, it's thyroid plus nervous system dysregulation, plus unresolved trauma that keeps the immune system stuck in fight mode. Your expression of Hashimoto's lives inside an interconnected web: the microbiome, the nervous system, the hormones, the mitochondria, the detox pathways, the immune balance, all talking to each other, all influencing each other. When one part of that web is under stress, the others feel it. That's why two people with the same diagnosis, the same TSH number, the same prescription can have completely different experiences. And it's why a plan that worked beautifully for your friend might do absolutely nothing for you. Which brings up the thing most wellness content never says out loud about protocols. And it's going to reframe how you've been thinking about your own healing. Protocols aren't the problem. The promise attached to them is. A well designed protocol can absolutely be a useful starting point, a place to begin gathering information about how your body responds. But the moment someone hands you a prefab supplement list without ever looking at your labs, your story, your history, your triggers, or your timeline, that's not a plan. That's a product. And if they're promising you a cure in 30 days, that should make you deeply skeptical, not hopeful. Here's what the generic protocol can't account for: your genetics, the specific stressors that triggered your Hashimoto's in the first place, how long your immune system has been dysregulated, what your gut barrier actually looks like, and how resilient your adrenals are right now. Those aren't minor details, they're the entire story. So if you've tried a protocol and it didn't move the needle, I want you to hear this clearly. You didn't fail. The protocol, that's what failed you because it was never designed for your body. That's not a small distinction. That's the whole point. The people who stay stuck are the ones who keep trying the next protocol. The people who start healing are the ones who stop looking for a universal answer and start asking the right questions about their specific situation. If you're not sure even where to start with those questions, I put together a free resource called the Thyroid Confusion Fix. It helps you decode your labs, understand what's actually being missed, and figure out what to look at first. Grab it through the link below. Because once you stop chasing someone else's protocol, the next question becomes: what does a plan actually built for your body look like, and where does it even begin? A real personalized Hashimoto's plan doesn't start with supplements. It starts with questions most practitioners never ask. What triggered your Hashimoto's in the first place? Was it a pregnancy, a major infection, a period of extreme stress, a traumatic event, years of poor sleep? Which labs are being ordered, and more importantly, which ones are being ignored or misinterpreted? Is your most urgent priority gut repair or hormone balancing, or bringing down neurological inflammation, or supporting detox pathways? And which comes first given your current state? What's your current toxic load? Are you dealing with mold exposure, heavy metals, chronic low grade infections like Epstein Barr that keeps reactivating? Are blood sugar swings fueling your immune dysregulation? Because that is one of the most overlooked drivers in Hashimoto's and one of the most addressable. This is detective work. Real, methodical detective work, and it takes time. But here's the thing about that. Taking time to do this right is not slow progress. Taking time to do this right is the only way to make progress that actually holds. Cookie cutter plans give you cookie cutter results, meaning temporary improvements that collapse the moment life gets stressful again. A plan built on understanding your web gives you something entirely different, a foundation. And building that foundation requires a shift in how you think about your own body, one that most people in this situation have never been given permission to make. Your body's not broken, it's communicating constantly. And most of us were never taught how to listen. Every symptom, every flare, every setback, every unexpected win is information. Your fatigue is telling you something. Your hair loss is telling you something. The way you feel after certain foods, after certain stressors, after poor sleep, that's all data. Your job isn't to copy what worked for someone else on a forum or in a Facebook group. Your job is to get curious but strategic and get patient with your own progress. Because healing from Hashimoto's, real healing, not just lab numbers shifting, is not linear and it's not fast. But it is possible. And it happens consistently for people who stop fighting their body and start working with it. Not perfectly, not overnight, but in a direction that builds on itself. That's the kind of progress no protocol can promise you, but a personalized approach, one that actually accounts for your web, can absolutely deliver. You're not a case study. You're not a category. You are a specific human being with a specific history and a specific set of levers. And when you find yours, things shift. Hashimoto's is not a dead end diagnosis. It's actually one of the most responsive autoimmune conditions when it's approached correctly. And correctly means specifically to you. You've spent this entire series building the foundation to understand that. What's driving your Hashimoto's? What's keeping it active? And what the research actually says about turning down the immune attack. If any part of this series helped you start connecting the dots, please share it with someone who's still stuck in the protocol loop, still being told their labs are fine, still wondering why they feel so off. Drop a comment below and tell me, what part of your web are you most ready to address right now? I read every single one. And there's one more video left in this series, video 11. And it's where everything you've learned here comes together into what actually comes next for you. Now that you understand why your plan has to be built for your body, you're going to want to know exactly how to take that next step and what to actually do with everything in this series. Click the video on the screen and I'll show you right now.